Hello, amazing ladies. Welcome back to Kids Zone, your go-to source for health and fitness. Today, we are diving into the world of women's nutrition with a spotlight on Gytree Protein Powder for women. If you're on the lookout for a protein supplement tailored to your unique needs, you're in for a treat. Stick around for an honest review, unboxing, and insights into what makes Gytree stand out. Excitedly, ladies, I know how crucial it is to fuel our bodies with the right nutrition, and that's why we are exploring Gytree's protein powder for women today. Let's get right into it. First things first, the taste test. Because let's face it, a protein powder that doesn't taste great can be a deal breaker. Sipping, that's surprisingly delicious. Gytree's protein powder has a smooth texture and a pleasant taste. No chokiness here, just pure, protein-packed goodness. Now, let's break down the key features that make Gytree protein powder for women unique. Gytree understands that women have unique nutritional needs. This protein powder is formulated to address those needs, including essential vitamins and minerals. If you're a fan of plant-based options, Gytree has got you covered. This powder is a blend of high-quality plant proteins for a wholesome source of nutrition. Gytree doesn't just stop at protein. It includes additional nutrients to support overall wellness, including skin health and immune function. Now, let's dive into the unboxing experience. I'm excited to share what comes in the Gytree protein powder package. But wait, before we go any further, let's hear from some wonderful women who've incorporated Gytree protein powder into their routines. Now, let me share some practical tips on how to make the most out of Gytree protein powder for women. Mix a scoop with your favorite plant-based milk or water for a quick and convenient protein shake. Boost your morning smoothie by adding Gytree protein powder for an extra protein kick. It blends seamlessly with your favorite fruits and veggies. Get creative in the kitchen. Gytree protein powder can be an excellent addition to your favorite healthy baking recipes, from pancakes to energy bars. There you have it, fabulous latest Gytree protein powder for women. If you're searching for a protein supplement that caters specifically to your needs, Gytree might just be your new go-to. If you've tried Gytree protein powder or have any questions, share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more reviews and women's health content. Until next time, stay strong, stay fabulous, and keep nourishing your amazing selves.